Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Depa Palinda and now I will make a speech about the power of sleep more than just rest. Did you know that driving after staying awake for 20 hours is as dangerous as drunk driving? That statistic shocked me. But what shocked me even more was how little we prioritize sleep despite knowing how vital it is. I started diving into sleep research after noticing how my mood and focus completely change depending on how well I slept. What I found was clear. Sleep isn't just a break, it's a biological necessity, and today I want to explain why it matters more than you think. Sleep plays a major role in three critical areas of our lives: our brain, our emotion, and our body. Let's begin with the brain. When we sleep, our brain is not off. It's actually very busy. It sorts and stores new memories, processes emotions, and removes toxins. According to Harvard Medical School, one of the most important functions of sleep is memory consolidation. This is why students who get enough sleep perform better on tests and retain information longer. On the other hand, sleep deprivation reduces concentration and slows your ability to process information. In fact, studies show that people who are sleep deprived perform tasks as if they were under the influence of alcohol. You become more forgetful, make more mistakes, and have trouble solving even simple problems. Now, let's talk about emotion. Have you ever noticed how everything feels harder when you're tired? That's because without enough REM sleep, your emotional brain, especially the amygdala, goes into overdrive. This makes you more reactive, anxious, and moody. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, states that chronic lack of sleep is closely linked with mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. When you don't sleep enough, even minor frustration feel overwhelming. Sleep helps us stay calm, grounded, and emotionally resilient. Finally, let's explore the physical side of sleep. Sleep is the time when your body repairs itself. It strengthens your immune system, regulates blood sugar, and balances the hormones that control hunger and stress. Chronic sleep loss doesn't just make you tired, it makes you sick. According to the CDC, people who sleep fewer than 6 hours a night have a higher risk of heart disease, obesity, stroke, and even premature death. While you're asleep, your body is healing muscle, detoxifying organs, and restoring energy. Skipping sleep is like skipping maintenance on your car. Eventually, something will break. In conclusion, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It affects how we think, how we feel, and how we function physically. It's not something we should cut to get more done. In fact, without it, everything we do suffers. So I challenge you, make sleep a priority, not just on weekends or vacations, but every day. Set a bedtime, protect it like you would an important meeting, and let your brain and body thank you for it. Because when you invest in sleep, you're not wasting time. You're building a stronger, healthier, more focused on. Oke, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.